Hello friends, welcome to another video from programming tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 4.32. The question is given here, so and it's asking to print such an output using these statements. So let's start it. Now int row is equals to 1. So while row is less than or equal to 8, then int column is equals to 1, and start another while if row module 2 is equal to 0, then print the empty statement. Otherwise while will start while column is less than or equal to 8, then you should print asterisk with a space. This also print. Now here we should increment the column plus now take a new line and row plus plus. So let's check the output, even it's correct or not. The output must be like this. Yes, it is completely correct. So let's explain how this works. First of all, we have row equals to 1. We will have 8 rows. You can count it here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 rows. This is why we are taking this 8, and column is equals to 1. So when row module 2 is equal to 0, it means that the modules of row divided by 2 is if it is 0, then it will print a space. First it will print a space, otherwise it goes to this while loop. This will print this things you see here. This space is printed with that if, because when it is the even rows, when the number of rows are even, this statement will be printed. Otherwise it will print these statements. Now we have 8 column and 8 rows. So when it comes into this while loop, it will print asterisk with a space, and this space is the space comes here. This is this space, and counter plus plus. It when the loop finished, this loop finished execution, it will get a new line and row become 2. Then it will run it again and again till the row comes equal to 8. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel to get my next videos. Thank you.